In this final lecture of the module before the workshop, we're going to bring everything together. I want to walk you through the complete workflow, from raw data to a presentation that's ready for your leadership, team, or board. This is the practical application of everything we've covered. Let me talk you through each stage. Before you touch any data, get crystal clear on two things. First, what decision are you trying to influence? Get approval for the Q2 marketing budget is specific. Present marketing data is not. Second, who is your audience and what do they care about? A CFO cares about different things than a CMO. Shape your story accordingly. Write these down. They will guide every choice you make. Stage 2, explore the data with AI. Some prompts to start with. What are the 3 most important trends in this data? What might surprise or concern a leadership team reviewing this? What questions would a skeptical executive ask about this data? Don't commit to your story yet. Explore. Let the data tell you what's interesting. You might discover that your original hypothesis was wrong. That's valuable information. Stage 3, identify your core message. Based on your exploration, crystallize the one thing you want your audience to remember. Not 5 things, not 3 things, 1 thing. Everything else supports this core message. Here's a test. Can you state your message in 1 sentence that a tired executive would remember an hour later? If not, keep refining. Examples of clear core messages. We need to invest in the Nordic market now before competitors walk it up. Customer retention is our biggest profit lever, more than acquisition. The quality issues in Q3 cost us more than we realized. Here's the fix. Stage 4, build your visual narrative. Now you're ready to create visualizations. Use AI to generate draft versions. Ask for multiple options. Iterate until each chart clearly supports its role in your narrative. Stage 5, verify and refine. Before you present anything, verify. This is a step most people skip, and it's where mistakes happen. We've already spoken about AI hallucinations and errors in previous lectures. Check the numbers. Make sure the AI calculated correctly. Spot check specific values against your source data. If the AI says growth was 23%, verify that 23% is correct. Check the story. Does your narrative accurately represent the data? Or have you selectively presented only what supports your conclusion? Be honest with yourself. Check for misleading elements. Are your access appropriate? Is your time frame fair? Would a reasonable person draw the same conclusions you're applying? Stage 6, polish for your audience. Finally, take your verified content and prepare it for presentation. This usually means moving from AI-generated drafts into your organization's standard tools. PowerPoint, Google Slides, or whatever you use. Apply your brand colors, fonts, and templates. Add any required legal disclosures or source notes. Ensure consistent formatting across all slides. And here's the tip. Prepare for questions. Think about what a skeptical audience member might ask. Have a backup data ready. Know the limitations of your analysis and be prepared to acknowledge them. Let me give you a practical exercise you can do after this lecture. Take a data set you work with regularly. Sales figures, operational metrics, customer data, whatever is relevant for your role. Follow the 6-stage workflow we just covered. Give yourself 90 minutes. At the end, you should have a 3 to 5 slide mini presentation ready for feedback from a colleague. The goal isn't perfection, it's practice. The more you use this workflow, the faster and more natural it becomes. That brings us to the end of Module 3. Let me summarize what we've covered. You've learned how to get organizational approval for AI tools. You understand the major platforms and how to choose between them. You can set up accounts safely. You've mastered the PCG prompting framework. You now know how to use examples and iteration effectively. You understand hallucinations and how to verify outputs. You've practiced applying these skills in a workshop format. And now you can use AI to explore data, create visualizations, and build compelling presentations for leadership. In Module 4, we'll shift focus to the critical considerations of risk, security, ethics, and legal compliance, the guardrails that keep AI initiatives on track.